Like I said, this problem is different than what we did yesterday. We had triangles, but this figure, this shape, has four sides. And if you read the notes here, it says that with a triangle, the sum of all three angles was 180 because a triangle has three sides. But this problem, since it has four sides, our angles aren't going to add up to 180. Instead, they're going to add up to 360. By the way, they used a symbol here, and I'm going to change that to a letter. I'm going to change that to a darn it. There we go. Let's change this symbol here to an X or some other letter, but I'm going to stick with using X. We'll use the letter X to find that angle. That's what we want to find. Find the missing angle. We'll call it X, and we'll write an equation. Like the notes say, our angles will add up to 360 degrees. So we'll write that. Let's also use, like yesterday, maybe some colors. Let's call this a blue angle and a green angle and a red angle. Darn it, what happened here? A red angle, the bar down there. And what other color can we use here? Maybe something like yellow or something. A yellow angle. Okay, so we've got four angles instead of three. And one of those angles is called X. So our equation will be X, doesn't matter what order you put these in, plus the red is 95 degrees. The green is 137 degrees. The blue is 74 degrees. Uh, 74 degrees. Okay, and when we add all of these, this will equal 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Okay. Now, one of the things we're going to do always is combine our like terms. So we're going to combine the terms that are alike in this problem are the terms that have a degree symbol on them. Okay, so we're going to add up those four like terms, 95 and 137 and 74. Those add up to 306. We'll write that here, x plus 306 degrees. When we add up those three different colors, everything else stays the same though. So to find x, the part that I marked in yellow there, we do that. To find this, we need to subtract, they added 306, so we need to subtract 306 from both sides. If you do that simple arithmetic, you're going to have that the x is equal to, I think, 54 degrees. 54 degrees. And we'll check our answer. Let me just highlight this. That'll be our answer, but let's check it. Let's add up all four of those. Let me write it right here. X is 54. I don't know if that'll show up. Yeah, 54 degrees. So we'll see what happens when we add up 54 plus the red, the green, and the blue. 54 degrees plus 137, well, let's do the 95 first, plus 95 degrees plus 137 degrees plus 74 degrees. And that would be blue. If I could get a little more room here. So If we add those up, let's see, 4 and 5 is 9. 9 and 7 is 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20. So we want to check by adding and carrying the 2. That's 16, 19, and 6, 2. If we carry, we'll get 360. So that means that our answer is right, and 54 degrees is what you will put. I can't fit that in there, it's too small, but if we zoom in, maybe we can just write 54 in there. 54. They already put the degree symbol in there for you. Not 154, but just 54. The little cursor is there. So similar to what we did yesterday, you're still going to set up an equation. You're still going to combine like terms, and you're still going to find the unknown angle. You just probably have to use your own letter. It doesn't have to be x.